Hey, what's up everybody? So in this video, I'm gonna talk about a few problems that I have with the new DJI FPV. So I just took it out of the box, and the problem that I'm having is that whenever I took it out of the box, the battery on the drone was dead, which it was expected. So I thought while I would wait for it to charge, and it was not time, I figured I'd go in the DJI virtual flight and do my training on, and be ready for today to get to try the FPV for the first time, hoping that was that was easy enough and long enough to get the training straight, and I can fly and try it out to see how hard it is. But I having problems with it. So the problem that I having is I'm gonna show you too that my goggles, it does connect to the virtual flight app. It does pair, that's not a problem. But the problem is that I'm having is that whenever it tells you to connect the remote to this, like to pair it, it's saying it's connecting, and it's giving me like a circle waiting and saying like it fails to connect. But it does beep saying that it does pair, that it is paired with the goggles. So I don't know what's going on. So I got the drone to see if I had to pair all three together first to see if that will help. And it did work. All of them sync in on the DJI Fly. It does work. I was able to control it and everything. I didn't fly it yet because I was indoors and it was dark, so haven't fly it yet. And I wanna play with the virtual fly first before I go out and try the FPV. I don't think I'm even gonna bother to try normal. I'm just gonna go straight FPV and see what happens. So as for now, having that problem that I cannot connect it to the FPV. And another thing that I'm noticing is the image on the goggles is kind of like gets like frozen, and it's kind of like gets like blurry. So I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna do, it's asking me to do an update now. So I'm gonna do the update, and hopefully that fixes and it takes care of all the issues. So I'm about to put it on and show you what is showing me. So let's try this on. I need a phone. So right now I'm pressing the remote controller, because you select what method you want to use. You can select the motion controller or the smartphone to use it. Put that one. You say make sure the aircraft is off. Obviously it's off. So let's go next. It says connecting pair with the turn on your goggles. Let me do this. Now it's connected, it's paired to the goggles, my phone. Now it says turn on the controller. I turn on the controller. You hear that beeping? That means that it's paired. But on my phone, it's saying that it's connecting, and on the goggles, it says the same thing. And I know for a fact that it does get paired with this, because like I said, I tried it with the drone, and it's still saying that so I know it does work. It's pairing, but it has nothing to do with the app, I think. So let's do an update on the on everything, on the drone, the headsets, and the controller, and see if that helps. So it just finished doing the update. So as for now, everything is to the latest update. So let's see if now it works. Let me turn on the drone. By the way, this gets like really hot, and that's normal. So that's off. So let's try this on again and see. Let me close the app and restart the app in here just to make sure. So let's try it again. Oh, now it worked. So I guess long story short is if you're trying to get it out of the box, I guess that's not gonna happen. So I guess what you need to do is charge your batteries and go ahead and get the latest update, because it is not gonna let you do anything apparently. Which is kinda sucks, because at least I wanted to, because the goggles, it does come with a little charge, come like halfway, and the remote. So I wanted to go ahead and play with it while I wait for the drone to charge. So that was kind of disappointing, but either way, so I guess I learned my lesson. Just go ahead and charge it and do the update. So I hope this video helped you out, and thanks for watching.